Conditional statements. Part 1 Basics. Exercise 1. Write a program that inputs two integers. Find the largest value. Exercise 2. Write a program that inputs three integers. Find the smallest value. Exercise 3. Write a program that inputs student scores including attendance, 10%, midterm, 30%, and final exam, 60%. Calculate the average score and classify it according to the following rules. Average score is less than 5, so grade D. Average score is greater than or equal to 5 and less than 7, so grade C. Average score is greater than or equal to 7 and less than 9, so grade B. Average score is greater than or equal to 9, so grade A. Exercise 4. Write a program to solve a linear equation of the form x plus b equals 0. Exercise 5. Write a program that takes two values, month and year, as input. Output the corresponding number of days in that month. Hint: a leap year is a year divisible by 4 and not divisible by 100, or divisible by 400. Months with 30 days, 4, 6, 9, 11, 31 days, 1, 3, 5, 7, 8, 10, 12. February is a special month. 28 days. Non-leap year, 29 days. Leap year. Part 2, Advanced. Exercise 1. Input a positive integer with at least one digit and at most 3 digits. Read that positive integer in words. Part 3. Analytical thinking. Reasoning. Exercise 1. Write a program that takes 4 arbitrary real numbers as input. Find the maximum value. Condition: the program can only use a maximum of 2 variables. Exercise 2. No knowledge of Section 3 required. Write a program that takes 2 positive integers a and b as input. Find the maximum value. Conditional statements are not allowed. Exercise 3. No knowledge of Section 3 required. Write a program that takes 2 variables, month and year, as input. Output the number of days in that month. Conditional statements and branching structures are not allowed. Loop. Part 1 Basics. Exercise 1. Input a positive integer n. Calculate the sum s, n, according to the following formula. Exercise 2. Input a positive integer n. Calculate the product s, n, according to the following formula. Exercise 3. Input a positive integer n. Calculate the sum s, n. Exercise 4. Input a positive integer n. Output all even values in the range from 1 to n. Exercise 5. Input a positive integer n. List all the divisors of the positive integer n. Exercise 6. Input a positive integer n. Calculate the sum of the divisors of the positive integer n. Part 2. Advanced. Exercise 1. Input a positive integer n. Output the digits of the positive integer n. Hint: use the modulo operator and integer division by 10. Exercise 2. Input a positive integer n. N is greater than 0. Output the even digits of the positive integer n. Hint: use the modulo operator and integer division by 10. Exercise 3. Input a positive integer n. Calculate the sum s, n. Exercise 4. Input a positive integer n. Calculate the sum s, n. Part 3. Logical reasoning. Exercise 1. The sock problem. You have n pairs of socks. Every day you wear 1 pair and then throw it away. Every m days your mother buys you a new pair of socks. How many days will it take until you run out of socks to wear? Exercise 2. Input a positive integer n with a maximum of 10 digits. Write a program to read that number n in words.